All right, so now for all the groups in class, the project has been identified, it's been selected. Now the next step is the project charter. What exactly is this? So now the team has to go behind what exactly this project is going to deliver. So this literally gets the client as well as the project team on the same page, like a common understanding of the project. So now when you're going through this, think about what differentiates this project from the other projects in class. Okay, now a common thing that beginners do in this is to take generic, unclear requirements as the requirements of the project. Say, for example, oh, this project is going to make our website or database like much better. We're going to improve it. It's going to be more modern. It's going to be easier to use. It's going to be more useful to the people. All these are classic unclear requirements because they are so generic. Nobody ever says like, oh, I want things to be, more confusing. I want things to be more difficult. I want to convert it from an automated process to a more manual process, so there's more work for my employees. Okay, so these are generic requirements, so you should go from these to get like more specific. Say, for example, right now our donors find it difficult to donate to us because it takes like 6 7 steps to donate. We are going to These are the 7 steps, and we are going to remove steps 5 and 6, and we are going to combine steps 3 and 4, and then we're going to shorten up steps 1 and 7, and so therefore this is going to be the smaller process. Okay, so once you get to that level, that can go into the project charter. Okay, or say for example, we're going to make things easier to donate by saving all the information, and then you can have donations on a regular schedule. And then whenever the donor wants to change that, they can log in and make some changes. That would be an example. Okay, or instead of saying like, oh, it's going to be easier to find information, say like, okay, so right now we have all these 20 employees saving things in different Google Sheets on a shared Google Drive. So now we have 200 different Google Sheets, and it becomes difficult to find out like which information is stored in which Google Sheet. So what we want to do is we want to get a software that'll get us a login and tell us exactly what's where, so that we won't have to keep going from sheet to sheet trying to find out the information. Okay, now that is an example of a requirement. Mhm. Okay, another example of a requirement would be, okay, so currently our website has an old event calendar. We need to have like a calendar that's on our website that'll pull the information directly from my desktop calendar, and then so the events will automatically update on the website calendar as well. So that would be an example of requirement. All right, so let's see if you can get more specific with your requirements and put this into a project charter.